Are you planning on attending a boat show this year? If so, here are 3 questions that you should know before attending your local boat show. These questions will apply if it's your first boat show or if you're a seasoned boat show attendant. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more boating content. Now let's talk boat show. Question number 1, why is boat show a great time to buy or order a boat? Here at Action, we get asked this question a lot. What makes boat show season such a great time to buy a boat? Let's break it down. During boat show, dealerships normally offer financial incentives to purchase the boat at the show. Additionally, it can be really helpful as a buyer to go to the boat show and be able to compare models side by side at the show. Overall, the boat show is a great place to educate yourself not only about what boat might be best for you, but you can also get a feel for what dealerships provide and the best service as well. Question number 2, what types of boats does your dealership carry? Oftentimes, dealerships carry several types of boats, from pontoons to bow riders to towboats and more. Asking what types of boats your dealership carries can help determine if they have something that will suit your needs. Want a boat with water sports capabilities? Simply ask the sales representative about this and they should be able to point you in the right direction. Question number 3, how does servicing a boat work at your dealership? Want to know the key to a hassle-free boating experience? Choosing a dealership with a reputable and reliable service department is crucial. We all know that summer is best spent out on the water in your boat and not in the garage working on it. Things like pickup and delivery, as well as dockside service, can really maximize your time on the water and minimize frustration. Asking about the boat's warranty and dealership's loaner program and other service-related questions you have here will really help determine what your experience will look like at the dealership. Aside from asking questions, attending your local boat show allows you to sit in, walk through, and feel a wide array of different boats. Plenty of manufacturers have new layouts and features that you'll be able to experience firsthand at a boat show. Plus, who doesn't love to just sit back and grab a drink and check out a bunch of brand new boats? Thanks for watching, and if you have any other questions about boat shows or boating in general, visit our learning center at actionwater.com. Until then, we'll see you on the water.